usually best left alone. But working together, the Caracaras figure out a plan. First, the direct approach. But once the nest is stirred, those little stingers get everywhere. Next, a smash and grab. It takes guts to pull it off, but a little courage gets the job done. If one Caracara can take the pain, eventually, the wasps abandon the nest. These paper-like constructions are as nutritious as cardboard. But hidden away in the combs are plump, juicy grubs. One Caracara's bravery benefits the whole team. Once she's taken her fill, the rest share the spoils.